What's up, guys? Ethan with South Boston Strength. That right there was a half kneeling cable row. The kneeling side is the pulling side. So in this case, right knee down, right arm pulls. Couple form cues. You just saw a couple nice reps. Basically on this portion of the rep, we want to allow the shoulder to turn a little bit, get a nice stretch. And then you're basically just pulling with good posture until that elbow is neutral with the rib cage, okay? You don't have to pull way too far. That's going to cause the elbow, or the shoulder rather, to round forward and look something like this. All right, that's way too much arm. You want to pull nice and low, okay? So the chest finishes up tall, shoulders down in the pocket, elbows down in the pocket. Nice strong position there, okay? Another way to think about it is the back of the rep from elbow to the wheel, or where the cable's coming from, is roughly a straight line, okay? If you start pulling up like that, too much bicep, too much forearm, and that is coming up at an angle. We don't want that. We want down at a straight line. So that is gonna be the best angle of pull to get those real pull muscles deep in the back, okay? Rather than just superficially pulling with the bicep and the rear delt, in the forearm, okay? So that's it for this one. I'll see you guys soon.